be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am officially dropping this here room tour. If you've been waiting, then today is your day. Like I'm coming with it, like with all the color. Cause if you don't know anything about me, after this video, you're gonna know that your girl loves some color. Now let me just say, this is not your average master bedroom makeover, okay? This is my bedroom makeover, so don't come for me in the comments if you don't like something, because baby, it ain't for you to like, it's for me. And I'm not trying to be mean, I just know how the YouTube world is. Like, please, like, if you don't like something, keep it to yourself, because I did this room for me. This is my sanctuary. This is where I come to have my peace of mind, where I come to lay my head, where I pray, where I do my meditation, everything. So this room is all vibes for me, and I love it. There's nothing more that I can say about it. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. I would love for you to stick around and smash that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you are aware of when I drop videos. And if you're not new, thank you for continuing to support your girl. Now, if you're new, the things that I do on my channel is stuff like decoration. I do crafting. It's a lifestyle channel, so it's all the things in my life you will see. I do dab into a little bit of businesses. I do have going on, but that's in a organization stage right now. So I'm kind of, reevaluating a lot of stuff. So you won't see, you'll probably see stuff coming up later on, but right now you won't. And what else will you see? You might see a little cooking. I've done cooking on my channel before. I've done cleaning, but honey, you ain't about to see me clean nothing else on this channel. Let me just go ahead and say that, because I ain't got time for all the angles. I don't. I'm not that type of person that love to clean, so I like to go ahead and get it done. And the camera be in my way, so I'm not gonna be cleaning on my channel, unless my homegirl Kim decides that she wants to put me in a collaboration that requires cleaning. Kim, I'm there for you, boo. I will do it. If that's the only way, I will do it. But yeah, those are the things that you will see. I actually want to dab into making things like, I'm trying to become Tiff the Builder. Tiff the Builder. So if you want to stick around and watch that, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Okay? All right. So let's get started with this fabulous room tour.
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it how your touch feels. I love it how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious.
Real quick, I'm gonna go through where I got the stuff from. So the wallpaper came from Amazon. The T and the N came from Hobby Lobby. Now all of these big pictures that you see are by Pink Lomaine. But the one here, yeah, girl painted it at a sipping paint. I did good, didn't I? Now I do have another one that's going on my wall over here that I painted. It's Beyonce actually, and I forgot to put it up before I filmed, but hey, it's all good. Nightstands I got for a gift for my birthday, from Mother's Day, my son. These came from Amazon. The lamps came from Amazon. The two bedside mirrors came from Hobby Lobby, along with this big mirror. All came from Hobby Lobby. And this was on clearance. I actually got it with my birthday money. So if you got me some money for my birthday, then this is what I bought with it. Because y'all know these mirrors are very expensive. But I looked up and got it for $100. The two small mirrors I've had for a while. A lot of this stuff has been sitting somewhere in my house waiting for me to do my room prior to this year. So yeah, but I don't know if you all know, but I do sell Young Living. If you didn't know, now you know. I do have a whole page. Y'all have to check out my link tree. I got a lot going on. That came from Hobby Lobby, 2 years ago? 2 or 3 years ago, I got it on clearance. This came from Target's Dollar Spot, maybe earlier this year, maybe. And I actually propagated this plant from another plant. So I didn't buy this one. I actually let it regrow into a new one. Again, that's the mirror. I'm not going to go into any of this stuff. Another picture from Pink Lomaine. This candle, y'all, smells so good. Oh my God, I have not burned it yet, but if I just take the lid off of it, oh, the smell, it just comes right out. But I love this candle. I don't even want to burn it for the simple fact that I love the lid, and I don't know what I would do with this after I burn it, but oh my God, I smell it, y'all. Ooh, it smells so good. But they had a lot of the stuff with this print on there. I got this from TJ Maxx. This is the scent, and I got this candle. It was in a haul, actually. So if you've been following me, you know when I got this candle. Yes, it's finally getting used, y'all. I want to say it was last year. It had been last year because I haven't done any hauls other than grocery hauls this year. So it was last year. See what I'm saying? Got stuff I ain't even used. This chair actually goes with my kitchen table. I just put it in here temporarily. I do have a chair that has to be put together that's been in my garage for about 2 or 3 years. 2 years. 2 years. Please don't judge me, y'all. Please don't judge me. I have been going through a lot in those years. I don't know why the power does that, but I'm glad that I have it on camera now, that it just goes out and comes right back on. It does that all the time. I'm sick of it. Anyways, I do have a desk chair that I got from IKEA that needs to be put together. This is just in here temporarily. Now, the desk I got from Target. I actually got this year. I had bought a 12 cube shelving unit shelf last year from Target, and I decided that I wasn't going to use it, so I took it back and exchanged it for this. They were around the same price, so I just got the desk instead. This I got from, I remember, I want to say Home Goods. Been in my downstairs for about, it also was in the hall. It's been about a year or two since I got that as well. This memo little sticky thing along with the Think Positive was actually a set that came like that in a box. But again, I got those the same time I got that. And then this is the little business stuff that I have. Print out the stickers for you. Shipping label printer that I have yet to figure out how to use. This is the Cricut Mini. All of this has just been sitting in the box, y'all. Sitting in the box. This is a Cricut press. I do have a huge heat press downstairs, y'all. I promise y'all. In my mind, when I bought all this stuff, I was getting to the business, and then life happens, mental health happens. So hey, and then my Cricut just came out of the box, but I've had this since almost a year. I think I got this last year in November. This cube shelving came from Target, and the bins came from IKEA. I actually got those when I bought that cube shelving from Target, and I took the shelving, the unit back, but I kept all of my bins because I knew I was going to end up using them. I have them I have them in my family room as well. Then up here, I got this in a haul again, maybe 2 years. I got it the same time I bought that pencil markers and pen thing from Home Goods. Yes, that is Blanche. If you're wondering, that is Blanche from the Golden Girls. I am trying to collect all 4, yes. And because I am who I am, of course I had to get her. And then I got this little thingy, majiggy from TJ Maxx last year as well. Again, I painted this about 3 years ago, I want to say. And this came from Target probably about 2 years ago, maybe. Now, it's been sitting on August the 5th, since August the 5th. It's not August the 5th anymore, y'all. So I'm bad about changing out the calendars, but I put this up because I am going to get better at it. How about that? So yeah, that's going to conclude where I got everything. Oh, no, it's not. My bed. So if you don't know, TKO Talks is me, Kim at home, and I put the O in mom. We're coming back. We used to go live on Instagram and have fun time together because we all stay in different states. But hey, God brought us together, and we are just thick as thin. But yeah, I made us a blanket because they're my girls, y'all. I don't know what I would do without them. We found each other through social media, and listen, the story goes on. We found out we got so much in common. I love you ladies because I know y'all watching. We always supporting each other. But moving on to my bedding. Okay, so the yellow pillow covers came from let's just say all my bedding came from Amazon, every last bit of it, except and the pillow covers. The 2 black and white pillows came from Target. I want to say the love pillow came from Target. You know, Target always having those pillows in the and then a little dollar spot section. So that's where those 3 pillows came from. My sheets and everything else came from Amazon. And listen, if you do not have any the good hotel sheets, hotel style sheets, get you some. Because when I tell y'all, I feel like I'm on vacation every time I get in my bed. I don't be wanting to get out. I don't be wanting to get out of bed. So pretty much, I'm pretty sure when you looking for me, you're going to find me in my bed. Seriously. Like, it's too comfortable. Like, I do a lot of work in my bed. I do a lot of everything in my bed other than what you normally, well, sleeping. That's it. Sleeping and working. That's all that's getting done in this bed here. But yeah. I have, this is a duvet here for the winter time. That I got. And then this is like a, what do you call those? I don't know. When I figure out the word, I'll put it on the screen. But I have that. That's what I use for every day. And then, of course, my sheets. And then I have 2 sets of pillows on each side that this side never gets used. By the way, it actually holds more storage than anything else. It sure ain't holding no man. I keep emphasizing that because, you know, when the time comes, you know, babe, you got your spot here. I come with a house. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, please. I love to joke around. So you can't take me serious sometimes. Okay. I'm just joking. Like I'm patiently waiting. It's no rush because I am just getting over a marriage. So, hey. But yeah, that's going to sum up this little video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I sure enjoyed filming it, so I can move the heck on. How about that? I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye.
You watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel. But if you dig a little deeper, boy, you know you really want